everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, gardening, and finding joy in the ordinary like me, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Okay, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick little jalapeno pepper harvest, along with what to do with all of these jalapenos once you do harvest them. I'm going to show you guys, step by step, a really simple and easy, quick pickled jalapeno recipe, and this can be used for so many different things other than jalapenos as well. From cucumbers to cabbage to peppers, whatever you want to pickle, this recipe is going to work great. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've been growing my jalapeno pepper all season. You guys can see here just how well it's done. I got about 25 jalapenos off my plant this year. I even had a couple turn red, which I'm showing you guys here. I've heard that the red ones taste even spicier, so keep that in mind if this happens on your plant as well. I've never tried a red jalapeno before. And yeah, so there's my harvest off the plant. As you guys can see, lots of peppers. And now I'm going to show you what you're going to need for this quick pickle. It's so simple and so easy, so let's get started. First off, you'll need a container. I'm just showing two different options here. You can use a mason jar or any jar you have really. Anything works for this recipe. Next, you're just gonna need some garlic and sea salt, your jalapenos of course, some white vinegar, and a sweetener of your choice. I'm using honey today. You can also use sugar if you prefer. So just go ahead and start chopping up your jalapenos. You want to keep them really thin, or at least that's the way I like to pickle. If you like a thicker jalapeno, then go ahead and do that, but I do prefer a nice thin slice for my jalapenos. And go ahead and transfer them into your container. Next, I'm just smashing a few pieces of garlic here. You're not going to be eating the garlic, but it just gives the pickled jalapenos this really great garlicky flavor. When you pickle the jalapenos with the garlic together, trust me, it tastes amazing. And let's go ahead and get started on our brine here. So you just need 1 cup of water, to 1 cup of vinegar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of sweetener, so 2 tablespoons of honey here. Again, if you like it to be sweeter, feel free to use as much as you like. And then you want a decent amount of salt. I would say at least a teaspoon. I don't really measure here. I'm just cracking a bunch of salt into my pot and giving it a good stir. Let this lightly boil on the stove, and once it has come to a light boil, you want to turn it off. And it's important to note that you want your brine to be cool before you're pouring it over your jalapenos. So I just waited about 20 minutes or so for this to cool, and there you go, just add that right to your jalapenos. And once it's done, it's gonna look something like this. You can go ahead and seal this and place it in the fridge. It will last for a couple months at least, but it never sticks around that long in my house. We already eat them up before they go bad. And there you have it, a really quick and easy pickle recipe. Pickled jalapenos are great. You can add them on top of things like nachos, fajitas, tacos. Another way I like to enjoy them is on top of a salad or added into a stir fry for a little bit of extra kick. The options are absolutely endless. I hope if you guys enjoyed this quick pickle recipe, you will leave me a comment, a like, or subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay tuned for the next video coming. See you guys in my next one.